Hello everyone, today I'm going to unbox the dtech 2 meter 8K Ultra HD cable. This is model number DTH204 HDMI 8K HD video cable. You can connect this on your set top-up box, PC, Switch or PlayStation 5. You can use it on your display, HD TV or projector. Previously I used HDMI 1.4 cable. This is my HDMI 1.4 cable, but recently I upgraded my display 85-inch X90K. That's why I purchased this cable, and we'll see the performance. This dtech HDMI 2.1 cable easily achieve 8K HD picture, support 8K, 4K, 2K and other digital signals. The interface adopts anti-slip design, easy to plug and play, as well as in injection molding interface, beautiful and durable with velcro attached and easy to save. The adopted 24K gold plated connector, just cap protection, plug and play stable signal transmission. This cable looks high quality. It supports 3D 8K backward compatible. We adopted black mist outer surface design. The cable body is soft and easy to fold, extending the service life. Its bandwidth is 48 GB per second. Supports static and dynamic HDR. Support VRR, QMS, LLM, ER. Suitable for HDMI interface equipment, computer, HD player, BD, Blu-ray machine, LCD TV, PlayStation 5, PlayStation 4, PlayStation 3, Xbox game console, etc. This cable supports HDMI specifications such as HDMI 1.4, HDMI 2.0, HDMI 2.1. So you clearly see the picture quality is very beautiful. No issues on this HDMI cable. Now we will see whether this HDMI cable is HDMI 2.1 or not. How can we understand that this HDMI cable actually HDMI 2.1 version? How can we understand? There is a software named Custom Resolution Enhancer. You can check your current HDMI cable. You can understand that whether your cable supports HDMI 2.1 or HDMI 2.0. You can clearly understand in this software. So this software name is Custom Resolution Enhancer. Let's open this custom resolution utility. This is 1.5.2. You can download this. It's a free software. So first we will check this CTA 861 detailed resolution 9 data blocks. Edit. So my cable is HDMI 2.1 cable. You clearly see this cable supports 4K 120 Hz. The previous cable HDMI 1.4 version When I connect this cable, my current desktop resolution 120 Hz, 12-bit color, YCB chroma 4:4:4. It supports 4K 120 Hz. My previous cable, I just curious to see whether those HDMI 1.4 cable supports 4K 120 Hz or not. Even its maximum bandwidth 4K 30 Hz. So I just plugged that cable on 4K 120 Hz, and picture looks black. The whole screen look black on HDMI 1.4 cable. That means you need HDMI 2.1 cable to support your TV or display 4K and 120 Hz. You see, my HDMI 2.1 cable support YCB chroma 4:2:2, 4:4:4, YCB chroma 4:4:4 deep color. It supports 30-bit deep color, 36-bit deep color, 48-bit deep color. Maximum TMDS clock 340 MHz. You clearly HDMI 2.1 support. If your cable is HDMI 2.0, then it will show HDMI 2.0. There is no HDMI 2.1 support shows. You see, clearly see, this is the 48 Gbps cable. So in this software, you clearly see 48 Gbps maximum FRL rate. So my HDMI cable is all right. This is true HDMI 2.1 version cable. Okay. So I have another HDMI cable, HDMI 2.1 cable I have ordered. That was a different brand. This cable is not actually Ultra HD certified, but that cable was 1 meter cable. That was Ultra HD certified cable. Ugreen is 8K HDMI cable. The cable looks high quality. It has 2-year warranty. Really, this cable looks solid, high quality product. So we will see its performance. My previous cable was 2 meter HDMI 2.1 cable. HDMI 2.1 2 meter cable. 1 meter cable is visual quality is better than the 2 meter cable. So let's see its performance. We will see whether HDMI 2.1 2 meter cable or 1 meter cable there is any visual difference or not. You know, the 1 meter cable visual quality will be better because the signal will pass quickly on 1 meter cable than the 2 meter cable. So we will see the performance of the Ugreen cable. So guys, that means the 1 meter cable is better than the 2 meter cable. Actually all HDMI cable visual quality almost same, whether it's ultra HD or non ultra high HD. I don't see any much different, but you will see visual difference. The shorter the cable, the more the clarity, the vibrancy, the picture will be more vivid and vibrant, and the colors are sharp on 1 meter cable. So when you buy HDMI 2.1 cable or HDMI 2.0 cable, always buy a shorter cable, because on shorter cable you will enjoy the vivid saturated colors.
If you like this video, please subscribe and press the bell icon for future notifications update. I have another channel named Tech Gaming Villa, where I upload similar kind of tech videos. Please visit this channel and subscribe for update. Have a good day. Thanks for watching.